In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress a PowerPoint presentation online in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to save space on your hard drive, make your files easier to send via email, or just want your presentations to load faster on different devices. This guide will walk you through the process step by step in a way that's easy to understand and follow. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your Microsoft PowerPoint application. Whether you're working on a Windows PC or a Mac, the process is pretty much the same. Once you've got PowerPoint open, proceed to open your presentation file from the opening screen by selecting it from your list of recent documents, or by navigating to the location where your file is stored if it doesn't appear on the recent list. Here's a pro tip before we move forward. The main culprits that tend to bloat your PowerPoint files are the images. High resolution images can consume a lot of space, but luckily PowerPoint provides a handy feature to compress these images without needing any third-party software. To start compressing your images, click on any image in your presentation. Upon doing so, you'll notice a new menu or tab appears at the top of PowerPoint labeled Picture Format. Click on that. It's where all the magic happens regarding image formatting and compression. Once you're in the Picture Format menu, look for an option that says Compress Pictures. It's usually represented with an icon that somewhat resembles pictures getting squeezed, making it intuitive to find. When you click on this option, a dialog box appears with a few choices. For the purpose of this tutorial, ensure Use Default Resolution is selected. This option automatically optimizes the resolution of your images to be suitable for screen viewing without unnecessarily bulking up your file size. After you've made sure Use Default Resolution is selected, click on OK to apply the compression to your images. Instantly, PowerPoint compresses the images in your presentation, making the overall file size smaller. But we're not done yet. To further reduce your file size, let's adjust how PowerPoint saves your images within the document. This is a bit of a hidden feature, so follow closely. Navigate to the File tab at the top left corner of PowerPoint and click on it. From there, choose Options, which is typically found at the bottom of the list. This opens the PowerPoint Options dialog box. Inside this dialog box, you'll want to click on Advanced from the list on the left-hand side to access more settings. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Image Size and Quality. Here you'll see an option that says Discard Editing Data. Checking this box tells PowerPoint to remove any excess image data that isn't needed for the display of the images in their current state within the presentation, essentially getting rid of the behind-the-scenes data that bloats your file size. Additionally, while you're in this section, look for Default Resolution and choose the lowest resolution from the drop-down menu. This will ensure that any future images you insert into this document are added at a resolution that keeps the file size down from the get-go. After making these adjustments, click on OK to apply them. And there you have it. Your PowerPoint file should now be significantly smaller, making it easier to share and quicker to load. Just remember, compressing images and adjusting saving options like this can slightly reduce the quality of your images. So it's always a good idea to keep an original copy of your presentation before making these changes, just in case you need those high resolution images later on. And that's it. You've just learned how to compress a PowerPoint presentation quickly and easily online. These steps not only help you manage your storage space better, but also make your presentations more accessible to others, no matter what device or connection speed they're dealing with. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more great tips on how to make the most out of your presentations.